Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Brent in the TaxQuips Forum with an exciting opportunity. He says, I've been approached by a friend I trust. I trust him personally, not in the fine points of tax law. He wants me to invest in a pre-IPO stock of a foreign company that will be listed on a U.S. exchange. I see two problems. First, I would invest through my friend, not in my own name, because there's a specific clause in the IPO that they aren't supposed to expand the IPO through family and friends, which in my mind may be a legal issue or may just be the formal policy of the company. Second, though I could get a receipt that I gave my friend the money in exchange for him investing it for me, I'm not even sure if that's legal. If I were to profit or lose money, I have no idea how to explain the transaction to IRS. Well, Brent, if your friend has access to the stock as an employee of the company, both the stock and he have restrictions on the purchase. You won't own the stock, nor really have any legal standing. And your friend does not have the right to sell any of that stock or his share of the stock. Those are specific provisions of the pre-IPO sales. So, suppose you gave your friend the money. How would the transaction be defined? As a loan, perhaps? On what terms? And when you do get paid back, how do you get paid back? All the money you get in excess of the loan will be interest income. There will be no capital gains benefits, but if this is the next Google, the returns could be tremendous. But there won't be any tax benefits. You won't get the special benefits for the original owner of qualified small business stock, and your friend might face some SEC violations issues. Remember Martha Stewart? Now suppose you lose the money. You'd have to prove your attempts to collect it. You might have to take your friend to court to prove you tried to collect it before you could take a bad debt deduction. Not good for his credit or your friendship. Now, could you make the investment as a stock purchase? I really don't see how. So what I would say is consider talking to an attorney who understands securities law to see if there is a way to write some contracts to make this work. I don't really see how it would work for you. Personally, if you couldn't get a securities attorney to write this up properly, I'd stay away from it. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about exciting investments and other tax issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.